Hi everyone, today let's look at the logical operators. Before we move to coding, let me take you back to this truth table. We use double and percent as and. We use or as a double vertical line, and not is exclamation mark. So in and, true give us true, and true false will give us false. False true will give us false, and false will give us false. So as you can see, if only if both operand are true, that is when you can have true in this and percent. Or true will give true. True false will give true. False true will give true. False will give false. And in this case, as you can see here, if only if two operand are false, that is where we can have false. If not, if only one is true, so automatically all the results will be true in this or case. So not, we use exclamation mark to represent not, and this not, if you say not this, then this. Then I say not this result, we have result x and y. I say not this, then this not give us the inverse. Not will be false, that is not true will be false. Then not false will be true, not false will be true, not false will be true. Only here is true, that is where we have false, and only all these places are false, that is where you have true. So not this, anything you see they put not, that is name, will give the inverse of that. Okay, let's move to our coding. So we have taken a variable x true and y false. In truth table, you remember true will give us true in case of ampersand. In this coding, we have taken true and false, x as true, y as false, and we want to use this logical operator to test how it works in coding. We have true and false, so we have take and, we have take or, and we have take not and. So let's run this program and see what will be our results. In case of and in this coding, here return false because true and false is false in case of and. That is why we have this false in this first place. And we have taken or. Remember I said if only if both operand are false, that is when we have false in all case. So this or we have true because one is true. Maybe we have multiple inputs even we have 1,000 input and one of it is true, so automatically everything is true. That is all. And if one of this and is false, that means automatically everything is false. That is how this and work. And this logical operator, in this case I say not and, our and is false, and I said not and, that is why we have true here. We have our and as false, we have our or as true, we have not and, that is not false, then it's true. Basically we need logical operators to find out what is needful to do. Like if x is greater than equals to 2 and x is less than equals to 20, then x is between 2 and 20. So now, as you can see, this and has let us to know that the value of x is between 2 and 20. So more example, suppose if it's raining or is cold, then what do we need to do? Wear a jacket. So if it's raining or it's cold, wear a jacket. Thanks for watching. For more video, subscribe to Rookie Star IT.